MaxmakeLAB v0.9.18 is now available. In stock setup, you can define material dimensions. The X-Y origin can be set to the center or bottle left. Currently, Z0 defaults to the top surface. You can also set the safety clearance height here. The tool library allows you to modify parameters like tool numbers, diameters, step-downs, step-overs, and feed rates. It currently supports flat end mills, ball noses, and V-bits. You can also organize tools into groups. Profile Toolpath generates paths based on selected vectors. You can set the depth and override tool parameters locally without affecting the library. It supports outside and inside, or on vector paths with climbing, or conventional milling. Pocket Toolpath is used for area clearing. After setting the depth, the software calculates the milling path. Tool parameters can be adjusted locally. Profile Toolpath generates paths. Ripping and rest machining will be added in future updates. Relief machining generates paths from images, where the set depth determines the relief height. It uses an edge offset strategy for roughing. We recommend using softer materials while we continue to optimize the tool paths. Using 3D simulation to verify paths before cutting. You can toggle path visibility and adjust playback speed. Finally, export G-code in NC format. Note that the code includes TM6 commands, requiring a tool change and ray zeroing. Join our Discord for more updates.